I was hopeful that we was gonna get at least 40 years, but I don't know, just disappointed. 22 years after what happened.
Well, the sentencing heard around the world as the former cop who killed George Floyd during an arrest last year now knows his fate. Minnesota judges sentenced former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin to 22.5 years in prison for the murder of George Floyd.
Floyd's death sparked nationwide protests, as you know, and calls for racial justice. CBS News' Michael George is in Minneapolis now with the very latest tonight.
Peter Cahill said he was following the law, not public opinion, emotion, or sympathy, as he sentenced Derek Chauvin to 22.5 years behind bars.
This is based on your abuse of a position of trust and authority, and also the particular cruelty shown to George Floyd.
Chauvin's sentence fell short of the 30 years prosecutors had asked for in the killing of George Floyd on May 25th of last year.
9.5 minutes of cruelty to a man who was helpless. I want to give my condolences to the Floyd family.
Moments before he was sentenced, the convicted former officer briefly broke his silence.
There's going to be some other information in the future that would be of interest.
Chauvin did not elaborate. Defense attorney Eric Nelson had asked for probation, and Chauvin's mother made a plea for mercy.
I will not be able to see Derek, talk to him on the phone, or give him our special hug.
What were you thinking?
In their victim impact statements, George Floyd's brothers urged the maximum.
I haven't had a real nice sleep because of the nightmares I constantly have hearing my brother beg and plead for his life over and over again.
Floyd's 7-year-old daughter Gianna spoke by video.
I miss you and I love you.
Outside the courthouse here in Minneapolis, the Reverend Al Sharpton told the gathered crowd the sentence was not a cause for celebration.
Justice would have been George Floyd never have been killed. Justice would have been the maximum.
Good behavior could allow Chauvin to be paroled after serving about 15 years in prison. Michael George, CBS News, Minneapolis.
Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison and Chauvin's sentence is one of the longest that a former police officer has ever received for an unlawful use of deadly force.